Do you often find yourself putting off tasks? Procrastination, that pesky habit of delaying tasks that need to be done, is a common issue many of us face. But what if we told you there's a way to overcome it? Welcome to our video, where we'll be guiding you through a 30-day challenge designed to help you tackle procrastination head-on. With practical tips and strategies, we're here to support you every step of the way. If you're ready to stop procrastinating and start accomplishing, this video is for you. A 30-day challenge is a proven method to create lasting habits. Now, why 30 days? Well, research suggests it takes about this long to form a new habit. That's right, you can significantly change your life in just 1 month. The key here is consistency. By committing to a task every day for a month, you're training your brain to anticipate this activity, making it a routine part of your day. And don't worry if you stumble along the way, it's totally okay. The goal isn't to do it perfectly every time, it's to do it regularly. This commitment, this daily repetition, is what eventually turns an intention into a lasting habit. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Week 1 focuses on recognizing when you're procrastinating. It's a crafty habit, often disguised as busyness. So how do you spot it? Consider what tasks you're avoiding and why. Are you scrolling through social media instead of writing that report? Or perhaps cleaning the kitchen instead of making that important call? Understanding the what and why is the cornerstone to overcoming procrastination. By the end of this week, you should be more aware of when you're procrastinating and why. The second week is all about planning. Now that you've recognized your procrastination patterns, it's time to map out your tasks. Having a plan is crucial, as it provides structure and a clear path forward. So how do you create an effective plan? Start by breaking down larger tasks into manageable chunks. Prioritize these tasks and create a schedule that includes breaks. Remember, flexibility is key. Life can be unpredictable. With a well-crafted plan, you're one step closer to overcoming procrastination. Week 3 is all about putting your plan into action. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Staying motivated and focused is crucial. Don't let distractions steer you away from your goals. Use positive affirmations, visualize your success, and reward yourself for small victories. Even the tiniest progress is still progress. If you stumble, don't fret. Just dust yourself off and keep going. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. The final week is for reflection and adjustment. As we near the end of our 30-day challenge, it becomes crucial to review our progress. Have we been successful in recognizing procrastination and developing a plan? How effective was the implementation? It's essential to keep track of our journey, noting any hurdles and triumphs. This allows us to make productive changes, tweaking our approach to better suit our needs. Don't shy away from adjustments. They're signs of growth, not defeat. By now, you should be well on your way to overcoming procrastination. And that's your 30-day challenge to overcoming procrastination. We've walked through a step-by-step process to help you conquer this habit. In the first week, we focused on recognizing procrastination, understanding its triggers and effects. Week 2 was about developing a tailored plan, setting specific, achievable goals. Week 3 emphasized implementing the plan, taking action, and breaking tasks into manageable chunks. Finally, in Week 4, we reflected on our progress and made necessary adjustments. I encourage you to embark on this challenge and share your progress. It's a journey of transformation, one day at a time. Remember, the key to overcoming procrastination is consistency and commitment. Start today and see the difference in 30 days.